Alright, it's cold outside, and my truck doesn't want to start because the glow plugs are junk. Now, I thought it was the glow plugs, but it's also the glow plug relay. Now, I'm gonna hope to God that it's just the glow plug relay, but if it's not, then I'll make a video about how to replace glow plugs on a 7.3. But that's what we're replacing, this thing right here. You take your cover off. It's just three right there, and right there. And then it comes right off. You remove both negatives of the battery so you don't kill yourself trying to work on your truck. And then there's this bolt, these two small ones, and those two that are holding the relay in. You take it out, put the new one in, put everything back together, and it's done just like that. It's super easy job. So, because I was gonna pay a mechanic to do it for a lot more money than what it was worth, so I'm just gonna do it myself because it's gonna be less money. It's easier to get a mechanic to do it because you can just send your truck off and then after a couple hours you can come and get it. But if you don't want to spend the money, then it's super easy, so there's pretty much no point in hiring a mechanic to change a relay. Glow plugs, a little bit more difficult. I can see why people would make mechanics do that, but also, you can do it yourself. It's pretty easy. It gets easier, so it gets easier after you do it a couple times. But, it's freezing outside, so I'm gonna change this as fast as I can. So, here we go. Alright, so the first two nuts right there that go on the top posts are a 13 millimeters, so there you go, so you don't have to go search around. And here is this. There is a washer on it, so be careful, don't lose that or drop it in the engine bay. And then I'll take the other washer off, and then we will unhook those two, and just like that, it's taken off right there. Then the two small ones are a 10 millimeter, I'm pretty sure. So let's get those off. Okay, so now we're gonna get the two little ones off. We already did. It is a 10 millimeter, but I actually found myself using a 3/8 because the other one was like, whatever, 3/8 or 10 millimeter will work because one worked with 10 millimeter and one worked with 3/8. So, and like I said, there is a lock washer on these, so do not lose those because they're very small and that would be a pain in the ass to lose. And if I can grab it, this is in my way. And oh, might have just lost my lock washer, guys. Thank God. I caught it right there. It's caught right between there. Lucky me. So don't do the same as me. Be careful. Don't lose those. That would be bad. Okay. We got all the small ones off. And now we have to move on to the two that are holding the whole thing together. Right now, it's fully disconnected, and then I'll put the new one in. But I'm going to go warm up really quick, because I actually cannot feel my hands. It's freezing outside. Alright, I'm about to take the whole thing out. And there's a little rubber thing. Oh, no, that's not rubber. Well, here's the old one. Right there. Now, the problem with some of these is, you know, they go bad over time, obviously. But sometimes these get loose, like the top post, and you can just pull them out. So that's a big problem. So if your glow plugs aren't going and your little voltage thing in your truck is going boom, 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 that might be the problem. But also, oh shit, don't want to lose that. There's this little thing that goes over a wire right there, this wire, and then the post for your engine cap comes off too, because it's all hooked up to the same thing. So don't lose any of that stuff, because now it's all gone, and now we can put the new one in. So yeah, but if your glow plugs don't go, it could be your glow plugs, but it also could be your relay. Hope for it to be your relay, because that's the easy part. And then if it is your relay, it takes 5 minutes to take off, 5 minutes to put on. Easy, just like that. But how to tell if it's going bad is your gauge thing in your truck. Let me show you. This thing, your battery voltage will go boop, 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 boop. It will go to like 9 to 14, 9 to 14, 9 to 14. And it just gets all fucked up. And then your alternator can't charge the batteries correctly. And it just, this thing's pretty important to have a nice one. So back to going inside because it's freezing. Once again, I'm freezing my ass off. It's so cold. But yeah, and then we'll put this bat puppy in and hopefully it will start better. If it doesn't, then it's my glow plugs and then I'll make another video. Look at that shiny new part. Oh, don't you just love seeing it? So I bolted everything back. The little clip that goes on that wire, I don't know if you can see it, it's right there. You just wrap it right back on the wire and then put it on top of the post that will hold your thing. And then put this new part on and then just bolt everything down and perfect, just like that. It's all set up. Now we just gotta reconnect all these wires and we're good, and we can call it good and we can see if it starts good, and I'm excited. All right, everything is back to normal. I just gotta tighten it. Make sure you put the like electrical wire clip thing first, the washer, then the nut on all of them, and then just tighten them down. It's good. Put the two battery things back on and then put your cover back on and you're done. This is exactly what I was talking about, guys. I gotta have to go and bring it back. Thank God I got my receipt. See, the thing will pop out just like that. Fuck. Alright, well, we gotta go and fix it. So let's get another one, I guess. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why these things will fail on you. Like when your glow plugs aren't working, it's because one of them's loose. So gotta go get another one. Fuck me. Okay. Got a new one. It's on nice and tight. Everything's good. I had to put a new thing on there because I broke that off when I broke the post off. So this takes longer than 5 minutes if you break something. If you don't break anything, it shouldn't take too long. So let's see if I need new glow plugs too. But let's hope for the best, I guess. Now it is cold outside, so guess my gold plugs are all right. It was just the relay. Just like that. Truck starts right up. First try. Fuck yeah. And it's cold outside. Like, it's freezing. It's like 24 degrees out, but it feels like 10. It's fucking cold. Yeah, boys! 7.3's back. Oh, isn't that nice? Well, I have to put my top cap back on. But I'm glad that was the only problem. My luck is showing. Hey, I might have broken something today. But that's pretty lucky that it was just the relay. Because I was going to get glow plugs and a glow plug relay. And probably new wiring harnesses for the glow plugs. So that would have cost me quite a bit. But hey, we're lucky, aren't we? We're very lucky. Alright, well, you just put the cap back on these 3 screws right there. And then you're ready to go. I'm going to end the video here. The 7.3 doesn't need new glow plugs. All it needed was a new glow plug relay. And I'm going to post this video because it's not too hard. So when they say you need a new glow plug solenoid or relay, don't be like, oh shit, that sounds like a lot. It's not. So that's the easy part. Glow plugs are a pain in the ass. Alright. Thanks for watching. See you guys.